Hi, I'm Helen from Heritage Garden Seeds, and today I'm going to show you how to sow your nasturtium seeds. So you can sow nasturtiums from mid-spring to midsummer, and you can either direct sow them in a nice sunny position, or you can start them off in pots or modules. So I'm going to use these small modules to start mine off. So all I'm going to do is sow 2 or 3 seeds per cell and sow them around 2 centimetres deep. And then I'm just going to top those cells with compost and give those seeds a nice water. So I'm going to pop my module tray into the greenhouse at home, and I'm going to make sure I keep the soil moist while those seeds germinate. And then once those seedlings emerge and are large enough to handle, I will then transplant them into their final growing positions at the allotment, and I'll space them around 25 centimetres apart. So the same principle applies if you are direct sowing. You want to make sure your growing area is weed free before you start, and then you want to sow your seeds around 25 centimetres apart and about 2 or 3 centimetres deep. Just lightly cover those seeds with some compost and then give the area a nice water. So as we know, nasturtiums are really pretty plants, but they're also edible, so you can eat both the leaves and the flowers, and you can harvest them regularly over the summer, right up until the first frosts. So the nasturtium leaves are nice and peppery, and the younger leaves are just that little bit milder if you prefer a lighter kick, and they make a really amazing nasturtium pesto. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, but if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me. The best place is always on Instagram. We are at Heritage Garden Seeds, or you can get me on email. The email address is hello@heritagegardenseeds.com.